Mission Candies is on! Whoa! I am close to the aim. I located the target. I hear the steps. Fall back.
Oh, I forgot to hide them. Good timing. Sam didn't manage to get them yet.
No, mission failed.
Oh, Sammy! Were you hunting the candies? I knew it.
I was so close I could already smell the chocolate.
I guess I need a super safe.
You have me and super cardboard. Let's do it.
All right.
And I will find out the secret of this safe and rescue candies from it.
Hi, guys. I realized that without a safe, I can't save the candies. Sammy is such a sweet tooth. Not very healthy, mind you, but that's our Sammy.
Gossiping about me? Oh, hi, guys.
Why gossiping? I'm just sharing my thoughts with our viewers. Guys, give a thumbs up to confirm it.
What you doing now? I'll write it down not to miss anything.
Oh, you're so focused. Can I borrow the pencil?
You already took it. Why do you need it?
I need to make telescopic tubes from paper. They'll work in the lock of our future safe.
Aha, interesting.
Guys, do you recognize that intonation? He's up to something. We need to figure it out, and fast. Do you enjoy following Sam's pranks? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Done! By the way, now I'm making the most important part, the safe's lock.
Shoo! I made these circles. You'll need them.
Yes, great! But I need to upgrade them a bit. Pass me the cutter.
And what are you gonna make from these parts? Something important? Something connected to secrets and safety?
Well, we'll need this for the lock. Watch closely. By the way, guys, the knife is a very dangerous tool. Be careful with it, or ask an adult to help.
I won't miss a single move of yours.
I know that you won't, because you plan to open my safe later and take away all the candies that I'm going to hide there.
Shiver me cheddars! Mission failed. She found out.
That's because I'm a spy too. Were you trying to trick me? Guys, did you notice that the holes are different sizes? Their diameter matches the size of these tubes. That's how it should be. Now we're going to attach these cardboard thingies. This part should have 2 squares. One on this side. We glue it to the right spot. So several spinning parts of our lock are ready. And now comes an important step. Watch closely. The work of the lock fully relies on it. We cut carefully not to crumple it. Now place the tube here. Great! And glue it carefully. Watch out, the glue gun is very hot. We glue the tubes to each of the 3 cardboard parts. Super solid. Sammy, there's an important phase going on and you're not here.
I'm always here. You just didn't notice me because I'm a real special agent.
I heard you wrestling behind the plant. You need to work on your camouflage.
Got it. Now tell me what you're up to.
I'm assembling the combination number lock. Just the mechanism for now. Check it out. All safes work according to this similar principle.
Hooray! Now I know how this lock is functioning. The candies will be mine.
Well, it's not enough to know the mechanism. You need to know the password, too.
Oopsie. I forgot about it.
Actually, we prepared just one part of the lock. Now we will get to the part that will connect the combination number part with the main shutters. A safe is a very delicate mechanism, even though it looks very solid. There are 4 types of safe locks: key, mechanic, and electronic combination number, plus some unusual ones. For example, those that analyze fingerprints to open. And we will have a regular mechanical combination number lock. Actually, we almost finished assembling the main mechanism. I just need to cut off the edges of our parts. Up, up.
I made this exactly the way you asked. A long, flexible tape with lots of holes.
Yep, the holes look good. Now you can glue the round body, but be careful with the glue. I won't scrape it off your glasses again.
I know how to handle tools, partner.
Agent 00 Sam. Guys, did you know that Agent 007 was based on 10 different people? All of them were spies, agents of the British intelligence, and soldiers. Ian Fleming wrote his books according to their stories, and there were 25 movies about James Bond. All of them are super interesting. I really like them. I'll do some magic here. Let's see. Voila! Done!
And there's a whole YouTube channel about Agent 00 Sam. By the way, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. We still have many adventures and crafts ahead.
Thanks, Sammy. Great timing, as always. This will be a solid and secure door. Actually, did you notice that safes always have a valve-like handle? And it needs to turn to open the door. You can't do it without a password. The safe just won't open.
What do you mean won't open? I can't take out the candies from there.
If I don't tell you the password, or if you don't learn it using your spy tricks. But I'm not sure that's even possible, since I don't know the password yet.
So you're hiding something.
We will set the password after we put everything together. And meanwhile, I finished assembling the shutter mechanism part. I just need to glue it. Sammy, don't run away! I need a bit of magic! Can you copy this piece?
Easy peasy, watch and learn. Come upon us, craft and magic. Done, I'm off.
Sammy, wait, we need 6 more.
You should have told me this earlier. Boom, kada-boom, bingo, craft. No problem.
Super magic! Now let's install everything in place.
Wait, I need to cast another spell. Bibbidi-bobbidi, subscribity. Done. Now for sure.
Awesome! Let's proceed. We'll insert the parts carefully into the openings. This craft reminds me more of a bank vault. With mountains of gold behind metal walls.
Not of gold, but of caramel and cream.
Sammy, are you spying again? But this time I didn't hear you coming. Great job.
Yep, I'm almost like a fox. Soon I'll improve my skill.
Look, I made the lockup door and a secure lock.
I guess I'll never reach the candies. Mission impossible.
We made the most important part of our future candy storage. Plus, I assembled a few more parts from cardboard. Now, we need to put them together. I hope Sammy will manage the task I gave him. He has to make a really big wheel. But Sam is a master of cardboard. I can trust him.
I'm a super special agent. I have brilliant hand-eye coordination.
That's right, and a super cardboard decor specialist.
I've known it for ages. Do you want me to cut out the body for your safe?
Of course I do.
I'm on it.
It's high time to set the password. There's still a chance that my candies will be safe. Sam almost learned how to move unnoticed, so extra caution won't hurt. We'll catch him now. Aha! He's really busy with the cardboard. Here comes the most interesting part. We set the password. And... click! We did it!
Oh yes, now I know the password and Sue is not aware that I know.
Here comes the wheel. What is that strange sound? It seems to be coming from the bush.
Oopsie! Time to fall back.
Sam with his spy games makes me suspicious. The door is ready. Let's test the lock, while Sam is very busy with cardboard. I'll show you how it works. First, we turn it in this direction and the opposite, and close the safe door. I can't imagine anything more secure. Now we move to the body. Oh, a surprise from Sam!
Where were you? I have a message for you and our viewers from my boss.
Oh, the spy agency would like to remind you to subscribe to our channel. Oh, great, new parts!
I trust my tool to you. I know you'll use it wisely.
Rest assured that I will glue everything nicely and neatly. Guys, there's just a bit left. Support us with a thumbs up. Sammy gets excited when he sees them below the video. We're making the hinges for the safe door very carefully. And copy and paste these parts. Voila! Look closely. They're different sizes.
I made something from 4 layers of cardboard.
Wow, this part is just impossible to bend or break.
I thought that the safe should be very durable and secure. You never know who will decide to steal candies. So I could guard them.
What for, Sammy? I think our craft can deal with security perfectly well on its own.
In real banks, they use not only secure locks, but also different alarms and experienced guards, too.
I agree, we could improve our security measures.
Yes, and I just came up with the alarm system.
Whoa, such a fast reaction. But I think that Sam is up to something again. Why does he want to guard the safe with candies? I'm connecting these massive parts, and we get our secure door. These round parts go on both sides. And this one will be connected to the hinge. And our door is ready, but I want to add some special effects. Our door will be lit up with the help of LED lamps. In the end, we'll have a real piece of art, not just an ordinary safe. Done! Now I can hide the candies. But I guess Sammy knows something. That's why I'll put colored pencils inside instead. A small prank for a sly spy. Let's see what he managed to learn. We'll check the lock once more. Great. And close it. Turning the valve. Now it's secure for sure.
We meet finally. I know the password. So 6, 30, 29. Let's see. No, Susie, you played me.
Sammy, I knew that you started it all on purpose. Did you think you could trick me? Did you forget I'm also a spy?
Okay, I got it. Mission failed, but I will prepare better. Bye-bye, guys.
See you soon.